Hi, I'm Jeanne, and I work for the Sharon Forks Library, which is part of the Forsyth County Public Library System in Georgia. Welcome to my no-cook kitchen. Today I'm going to make mixed berry smoothies. With the warm springtime weather and summer right around the corner, it is perfect smoothie season. So perfect time for some chilly treats. Smoothies are delicious and they're healthy and they are quick and easy to make. You can make one in 5 minutes or less, and they are also perfect for on the go. Before getting started in the kitchen or handling food, we always want to make sure that we wash our hands in order to stay safe and healthy. I wash my hands right before starting this video, so I am good to go. All you will need for your smoothie is a blender, of course, and of course, some mixed berries. I have 2 cups of mixed berries. I have strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Of course, you can use whatever combination of berry that you would like to use or whatever fruit you would like to use. I have frozen berries. Frozen berries will make your smoothie thicker, though of course you can use fresh berries. I have a cup of milk. To make your smoothie extra healthy, you can use low-fat milk, or you can use whatever milk works for you. Soy milk or almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you like. I also have half a cup of yogurt. I have Greek vanilla yogurt. Greek yogurt will add extra protein to your smoothie. You can use whatever type of yogurt you want and whatever flavor you would like. And to add some extra sweetness, I have 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also add a handful of ice to your smoothie to make it thicker. And you can also add nuts, granola, chia seeds, or flax seeds to give your smoothie extra crunch and extra protein. All right, let's get started. All right, first we'll pour the mixed berries in. And I'll pour in my cup of milk. And I wanted to mention that the amounts that I'm using here will make 2 smoothies. That way I can share. You can adjust your amounts of ingredients depending on how much you want to make. And here goes the Greek yogurt. Again, you can use whatever type of yogurt or flavor that you like. And we're just going to pour a little bit of honey in there. Give it some extra sweetness. Okay. And then we'll start the blender. I'm going to use Liquify. Of course, different blenders have different choices. Let's give it a go. All right, I'm going to check it and check the consistency. Pretty good. I'm going to actually dip a spoon in here and check the consistency. Mix the ingredients around a little bit in our blender. Actually, it's quite thick, which is how I like it. I like my smoothies thick, but I do like to be able to drink it with a straw. I'm going to do it just a little bit longer. All right, here we go. I think that's got it. Let me check it. Oh yeah. I think that's got it. Let's taste. Okay, I'm gonna pour some in a glass. Look and see how nice and thick that is. Of course, some people may like it thicker. Some people may like it a little more liquidy. This is just how I like it. Let's give it a taste. Yum. It's a perfect, healthy, delicious, and cool snack for a warm day. I hope that this is something that you and your family will enjoy making. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.